Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the external drive to your Mac and confirming it mounts on the desktop or in Finder. Once done, open Disk Utility to verify the format. Choose Apps or Mac OS Extended, Journaled for read/write access. Make sure Photos is closed if you plan to copy the Photos library file directly, because an open app can lock the library. Next, create a clear top-level folder on the drive named Photos Backup, so you have one destination for all exported files. You now choose the method that fits your needs: export originals or copy the entire Photos library. If you export originals, open Photos, select all photos or albums, go to File, Export Unmodified Originals, and pick the Photos Backup folder on the external drive. If you prefer a full library copy, quit Photos, locate Photos Library and Pictures, then drag it to the external drive. Mac OS will copy large files, so expect time estimates. You finish by verifying your backup. Open several exported images from the external drive to confirm they load and compare total file count or folder sizes to the originals. Once satisfied, right-click the drive in Finder and choose Eject before unplugging to prevent corruption. If something goes wrong, make sure the drive format supports Mac permissions and that you have read/write access. Reformat to Apps or Mac OS Extended after backing up any existing data. Then repeat the copy process.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.